So in this video, we'll see how to integrate an AI with VS Code. So let's open VS Code for it. Click here on the extensions option and search AI. So here you can see this second option called ChatGPT Genie AI. Click on it and click install. Now, once the installation is done, you can see this option right here called Genie. Click here, scroll little down, and then you can see this option here called Change API key. Click on it. So if this is the first time you downloading or integrating an API key in your VS Code, you won't have any API key here. For that, we should generate an API key from your browser. So go here and type OpenAI. OpenAI. Then click enter. Once you click OpenAI, you can see this second option right here called API keys. Click on API keys. Here I've already logged in to my account, so I have access to create API keys. If you haven't, make sure you log in from here, and then here click on create new secret key and then type anything you want and then click on create secret key. So once you have done that, you can copy the key from here, go back to VS Code and then paste it here. Then click enter. Now to check if our Genie is working properly, let's ask a question to Genie. Let's ask what is 5 plus 5. Enter. We can see that the Genie is working properly now. So let's see what we can do with the code using this AI. Let's write a normal, or let's just print hello world. Print hello. Let it be hello. So we can see, let's see what we can do with this particular code. Select this, then right click. Here you can see multiple options. So Genie can add tests, it can find bugs, it can explain the code, it can add comments. So this is a very simple code. Let's ask Genie to explain how the code works. Click on explain. Now here you can clearly see that the Genie is explaining everything. The code print hello and Python will output the string hello to the console. And that's pretty much it on how to integrate an AI with your VS Code. If you guys have any doubts in this integration process, make sure you drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.